Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're just seeing my channel or coming across my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button down below, like this video, comment, share. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I have this Bardefu blender. I hope that's how to pronounce it. I've been trying. If you, I don't know if you guys saw my last video on blender. I bought the, what's it called again? The silver crest blender. That silver crest blender. Well, it lasted when it lasted. Why it, I don't know, but it got spoiled, and I had to look for another blender. Before it even got spoiled, finally, that blender really gave me tough time. Well, at first when I bought it, I kind of enjoyed it for the first few months. I enjoyed it, but later on it started developing some fault, and finally it stopped working. So I had to buy a new blender. In fact, it took me 5 months to buy a blender because I was so confused that I was like, which blender am I going to buy right now? Like, I'm seeing Gucci Mix. Gucci Mix is like, the price is not here. The price is too much for me right now. Then I'm seeing one new product, other one new brand that are coming out. Their prices too are not just, everything I was seeing was just from 150 and above. That was 5 months ago. And now I went back to that same place. So I was like, okay, for 150, let me try and buy blender for 150. I went back to that page to buy the blender. Lo and behold, it is now 250,000. I was like, in the space of 5 months. Well, to cut the long story short, I went for this one. I later found this and I went for it. I Before I could buy this one again, it took a lot of decision, a lot of doubts. Is it going to serve me? Am I going to get value for money? So I'm like, okay, I will never know until I buy and try and see how it works. Though I like the fact that it's 3 in 1. So let's just quickly look around the box and see what we have there. So it says here, okay, they have two types. One is 3 in 1 and this is 6 in 1. I think this is 6 in 1 is kind of new batch or something. And not one thing again I noticed is that it has different number. I'll get to that in a bit. Let's just see how it looks. So this is it here. Though they wrote this, there is three machine here in the picture, but guys, it's only one. At first I was thinking it comes with three. So if you're thinking like me, don't think that it only comes with one motor. So it has this okay, we'll just open it up and see what is inside. But this is just how it came. This is the packaging, this is everything. Yeah. So it has this food processor, juicer, and a lot of things. This is what you can do with this blender. Just pray it serves me well. And last, this is German technology, guaranteed reliability, 100% guarantee, and there's 12-month warranty. Okay, so guys, I see a lot of places, and I've seen on online stores as well. They are selling this blender for 90,000. I've seen 90, I've seen 80, I've seen 120 and above. Guys, if you need this blender, you want me to buy for you, I can buy for you the 3 in 1 for 70,000 naira, buy the 6 in 1 for 75,000 naira, which is this particular one I have here. 6 in 1, 75,000. Then the 3 in 1, 70,000. If you need it, just leave a comment. I'll drop my email in the comment section or in the description box. Just reach out to me and I will help you buy and ship to you wherever you are. So guys, let's just quickly open it up and see what is inside. We'll bring here, it has the, I hope you guys can see my video, I'm kind of far away. It has this manual. Then it has, comes with this, all blender comes with this, all blenders. Let's just bring everything out. Guys, I need to make sure this thing is recording. Okay, I'm sitting on the floor. This is a giant jug. I think the silver crest, I think is 2.5 liters. But this is this one is 3 liters. think the silver quest, is it 2 liters or 2.5? But this is 3 liters. Spring out accessories. So let's set the box aside. That's all we have in the box. Let's set this aside. Okay. Okay, let's start here. That is why this one is 6 in 1. It comes with a lot of stuff. But the one that is 3 in 1, you just get only this. 1, 2, 3. The 3 in 1, you only get this and this for the 3 in 1. But for the 6 in 1, you get extra. Um, this is just the only thing that is extra when you're buying the 6 in 1. And this is the for the orange juice. You've seen the user manual, how to use the product and all that. Then this one. So I think this is for the orange juice, for your juice side, if you want to juice. It comes with a lot of accessories there for the 6 in 1. I think you place your orange here. This will be here. Place your orange here. Then you just squeeze and blend using this particular um, jug. So it also has some slicers here. You want to chop your vegetables in different sizes. That's it here to chop your vegetable for. Um, so I think that's all. This is what made it 6 in 1. Does this extra additional accessory, and this one is for maybe when you want to whisk your egg or anything. So let's set this one aside. So the motor is I think is 9,500 watts. Yeah, 9,500 watts. And this is normal one. This is the dry one. The dry, and I love it. It's kind of solid. It's solid. I like that. It's solid. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blades. 6 blades, and this is 600 ml for your dry food. Then this is the food processor, right? This is the food processor. When you buy it, remove this plastic thing they use in holding the razor, because it's very sharp. So they have to put that there. I'm going to use this right now. I want to blend cocoyam. I've seen people blend yam with it, but they said the result is not really nice. I'll try with cocoyam and see what I'll get. So if you want to see that video, keep watching. So guys, if you watch up to this point, please hit the subscribe button, subscribe, like this video. Thank you. And I'll do that. Just keep watching. I'll test it with this blender because I have a lot of cocoyam and I want to blend everything and store in the freezer. So just watch out for that process in a bit. So the last thing we have here, or this second to the last, the motor. Whoa, this is huge. It has that smell, that burnt smell. You know when you're blending something, that spark smell. It has it. Maybe when during the testing, product testing or something. Well, this goes in here, I believe. Front, okay. Okay, then this goes in. Okay, no, if you want to use if you want to blend with this big one, you put this in. But if you want to use this food processor, you have to take this out. Then this goes in. I hope I'm. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it goes in like this. So you see that? It goes in like this. Then if you want to use the big blender, you use this one. I love the cover. It's very solid. It looks very solid compared to that of Silver Crest. I really like this. The gigantic jug. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. So guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you've bought this blender, how is it for you? Is it value for money? Are you enjoying it? Leave a comment for me in the comment section below. I think it has 8 blades, if I'm not mistaken. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blades. 8 blades. So guys, I've seen some comments or some videos where people get confused because this blender comes in different types, not per se, but because of the number here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this one is BF5042. I see some people saying, oh, BF5042 is the best. Some people say BF5052. I've seen 5052. I've seen 50880 or 82 thereabouts. So guys, the difference is just the motto, the shape of the motto. The 5042. This is 5042. The 5052. The motto is not this, is this shape, but the buttons are not straight like this. I think this one is in the center here, while you have these other buttons arranged up here. Then the one of 5086, the shape is more like that of Silver Crest. If you know Silver Crest blender, that's the shape of the motor. So it's just the shape. They are all the same thing. It's just, this just helps the manufacturer identify which of the motor it's in each particular box. So just to help them know what they are doing in their factory. So when they see, this is 5.2, they know that okay, this is the shape of motor that is inside. When it's 5052, they say okay, they know the shape of the motor that is inside the box. So that's just all it is about it. So let's go and see how I'm gonna just test. I'll be testing just this one to blend cocoyam. Let's see how, if it will work. I have a lot of cocoyam. I'll just try small to see if it's going to work. I'm using this what's it called? I have another food, I think I've done a review about it. I use it for cocoyam and yam, but I just want to try and see how this one will go. So guys, remember, if you want to buy this at a cheaper price, if you don't want to spend 150, 120, 80,000, 90,000 to buy it, I can help you get 3 in 1, which is just, that will come with just this, like this. 1, 2, 3 in 1 like this for 70,000. If you want 6 in 1, which is this particular one, it comes with extra accessories to chop various types of vegetables. I can help you get that for 75,000 naira. So guys, let's go and see how I use this. I'll be blending with that food processor. It's much. Normally I always I'll just pound it, but I'll just try with few. If it blends well, then I'll blend everything, but I'll just give it a try. So guys, this is what I want to blend with this food processor. I'm just going to blend small. I'm putting some inside already. I'm just going to blend small and see how if it's gonna work. I don't want to peel everything and it ends up not working. So let me just blend this little quantity and see how it goes. So guys, it's stuck. Don't think I can continue blending now. Or let me add a little water and see. It's stuck already. I added a little water and it was able to blend smooth. But this cocoyam, I'm not supposed to add water because I'm using it as a thickener and I want it to thicken my soup, not me adding water to it. Something I'm expecting to thicken my soup and I'm adding water again. But the water I added is not too much. It's still not bad the way it's looking. It's still not bad. I'll still achieve my results. So thank you guys for watching. If you've watched it so far, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.